Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing a really fun science experiment to grow a rainbow. So here's what you're going to need. 2 glasses of water, a strip of paper towel or napkin, and some washable markers in the colors of the rainbow. If you use something like Sharpies, those are alcohol-based markers and they will not work for this experiment. So make sure it's a washable marker. The next step is to draw rectangles on either side of your paper, and I put mine in rainbow order. If you want to try something else, that's fine too, but I put mine in rainbow order because I want to make a traditional rainbow. So I've got my red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and I've got about 3 or 4 inches in between each side. You'll notice that they're not perfect. They don't have to be perfect rectangles, but you do need to make sure you get lots of ink on it, so make sure you color it in nice and dark. And our last step is we're going to take our paper towel and we're going to put it in these glasses of water. Now you only want the very end to dip in the water. You don't want to put it, halfway down, because then all your ink's just going to run into your water and the effect won't work. So I'm going to go ahead. You guys can see, okay? I'm going to place my 2 ends in the water. And now we wait. It's going to take your rainbow about 10 to 15 minutes to form. So while you're waiting for your rainbow to finish, you can go and do a brain break, maybe move your body, do a couple of dance videos. You could go practice some sight words or read a book, whatever you need to do. So go take a break for 10 to 15 minutes. So I am going to cover up the results of my experiment because I want you scientists to try it out at home and to get to see what happens without seeing mine first. So I'm covering up my rainbow. So in the directions, it says to wait 10 to 15 minutes for your rainbow to form. I don't know if I just made mine real close together, but it's only been about 2 minutes and I've already got my rainbow. So friends, let's talk about why our rainbows formed. So there is something we call capillary action. And what that is a way that water sticks to itself and builds itself up so that it can do things like go up plant roots into a plant. Or have you ever seen water travel up a straw when you weren't even sucking on it? That's all capillary action. And so the capillary action of the water from the 2 cups travels through the dye of the marker and goes all the way up through the paper towel, uses that stacking magic, and then meets in the middle. So I hope you had fun making a rainbow today, and you can try different varieties of this experiment. You can try it with different markers, you could try it with different liquids, you could try it with different amounts of liquid, different space in between. It's just something fun to play with, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, bye-bye.